Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to go through New Zealand yen. In the forex market outlook at the start of the week, we spoke about the potential for the yen to start strengthening in the markets as it was at an extreme weakness, which either means that the currency is going to remain weak or we're going to see a reversal to that weakness. And what I've found was looking at Kiwi, especially because the New Zealand dollar has lost quite a lot of strength in the past couple of days. If we look at the Kiwi yen chart, price is now starting to give us a sign that we're seeing a change in the trend. And what's interesting about this market is that on the weekly time frame, the market has come up in towards the 79.20 area a number of times and it's just continued to reject this point. What's interesting even further is that we've now broken last week's low. Now, typically that would be a good sign that price was going to continue to move to the downside. So on the weekly time frame, some good signs that price is going to start pushing lower. Now, just kind of looking at this weekly, where is price likely to come into? Now, the last sort of supporting area on the weekly time frame was 76.67. Price found some support back here in the past, so that would be an area I would be looking for price to come into. It's around about 150 pips away, so some good amount of pips there to kind of jump on the back of if we can get a good trade down into. There's lots of space to work with. If we go down into the daily time frame, we can see that the market is starting to change that structure. If I just place on a trend line through here, we can see that price is now breaking out of this particular consolidation where the market was almost in a little bit of a daily channel and has now broken through that. So if we get that close below, that is a good sign that price is going to head to the downside. Okay, so usually as well, what we look for when a price is in an impulse phase, we look for a 4-hour change in cycle. So now if I go down into the 4-hour cycle or the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is now starting to make lower lows and lower highs. So ideally, what we'd want to see is a pullback and a continuation at that point. And if I actually just look at where price could come into, there's a decent little level just here. So if I was actually going to put a level of resistance on, if we look at 78.47, that area there has acted as support a couple of times recently, here and here, could act as resistance for a reversal setup. So keep an eye on Kiwi yen. The strength and weakness is flipping here. We can see that the daily is breaking to the downside. Looks to me like price is going to drop further. 76.67 could be the overall target of a move down. Could be one to watch. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you soon.